What's going on, guys? Welcome back to the channel. I'm here in the new room that I've been filming on. Let me get you a little mess down here. I had cleaned up already, but what we are doing today, I finally got my street team box. I'm gonna do a little unboxing and see what all's inside here. Let me get it straight. Before I go any further, make sure you're subscribed. The subscriber count has been really weird here lately. I went above 500 and then all of a sudden lost like 30 some subscribers like within a minute, and then they shot back up over 500 and now they're like at 491. So keep sharing the channel. The giveaway will happen soon as long as I get that consistent right above 500. So let's just go ahead and jump into this box. Been waiting for a while for these to go out, so hopefully there's some cool stuff. They took a little while to get the street team members and stuff boxes. They've been trying to keep up with all the demand, so finally getting us some stuff out is pretty nice. Appreciate the team captain Scanzarelli. He's been doing good work for the street team, so as always, the trash. Let's see what we got here. First off, I can guess what this is. Boom. I don't have one of these yet, so that's nice. Got a good little water container. That'd be nice. Get a phone call. Next up. Look at that. Blue. That's nice. Can't wait to get that out. See what it's like. I've got the gray version of this. The BP1 V3.1, I think. Charlie Davenport hooked me up with that. That was before the Velcro was on here, so that's got a Velcro removable thing on it. I forgot to actually order one of those name tags, so I might have to get one of those here at some point. Now, let's see what all is. Oh, look. I at least get one of these. Velcro team patch to go on it. Oh, these are cool. What? I have not seen these yet. Ace line marker. And it feels way different than Prodigy's usual stuff. This is really lightweight plastic. So that's pretty sweet. Got a team one and the Ace line, but they feel the same. So they've got something different going on with the Ace line markers right now. Let's see, I see a couple. Oh yeah, black on black trucker hat. And I've got a gray one of these already, but I like this hat a lot. Two nice hats. We've got stickers, as always. Orange and green towels. That's two colors I don't have in these yet, so always useful. Got a team hoodie. Boom. Yeah. Prodigy on the back, and a black. I didn't have a black, so I wanted one. Same thing. That's pretty sweet. Now, here to some shirts. I recommend if you get any of these like Ace Line tops or whatever it is they call these ones, the ones that have the two-tone coloring to them. This one feels a little big, but they used to run pretty small. I'll see how this is. I went a size up this time, so if you're ordering, I'll try to let you know if that's how they still run or not. They feel a little different, so this might be a little bit of a different type, but it's got the team iron-on the back, and I'm assuming a lot of these are the same. I got the green and black, and ooh, red and black. Ooh, got a polo. I'm gonna open that up so I don't have a polo yet. Oh yeah, that's nice. Team Prodigy disc polo. Look at that. That's nice. I like that color too. I went a size up on all the shirts just to try to counteract. That's another polo, maybe. Now, we're to the good stuff. Let's see what we got. We got PA3 300, 350G. We got two 300 soft PA2s. I don't use these, so those probably will be trade maybe. We'll see. Let's see what these are. So P Model S's. Oh, P Model US. Base grips. Always can use those. Duraflex. Look. Always going. Yeah. Ooh yeah, look at this. Man. 500 A2. Get this focus. Nice, and I forgot. Team bottom stamp. Do all these? Not these. I know some of them do. These putters do. Man, that makes them harder to get rid of. But this PA3's got it. Yeah. So they did a lot of team stamps for us. That's awesome. That'll probably be used. Oh yeah. A4. New to the bag this year. Team stamp. It's 400G. That's nice. Ooh. I'm liking the look of this already. Where are you? Spectrum D1. 400G. Look at that. Yeah. Can't wait to throw that and see what it flies like. Ooh, where are you? Another one. Look. I hope these have some good stability to them. These Spectrums look nice. Another D1 750 bottom team stamp. Here's a D2 Max. Not a thrower that I use, but still pretty sweet. It's got a cool swirl in it. Now this looks. Yes. I hope this is. Ooh, that feels good. Look at this. Bottom stamp, blank top, bottom stamp team, D2 and 400 smoke gray. That is nice. The little things that make you excited. We got 400G D3. We'll see how this one flies. Another bottom stamp. This one's actually, it's a Spectrum 400G. It's got some swirls in it. So that might be a good thrower. That's nice. Another mold I don't really throw, but it's a really pretty one. Scans my like that. Look at that. Super nice blue 500. F3 400G. This is another one. I haven't messed with 300 or F3s much at all, but I threw one a long time ago, but it was not, I don't think, the stability of what F3s usually are. Here we go. That's a pretty FX2. Team stamp. Such a good, reliable disc. And the last two. Got a pretty MX3 with the team stamp. And base grip in model OS. And I believe that's the box. Let me see if I can pull the key discs for me out of this. Really interested in these, whether they fly over stable or not, but in these two, A2 and 500, and this 400G. This 400G looks really sweet up close. I don't know if I can get a good, almost shimmery, but the A4 is a big component of my bag now, so I swear this 500 looks sick though. Look at that wave. Oh, that's nice. Those are standouts. And I'm never mad at some P model US's. I like P model S's too, but I'll take these all day. So any street team dudes out there that might want some trades, hit me up. I might have some stuff to trade. So that is all I have for that unboxing. Not bad. It's a pretty good little setup there. So definitely interested in trying out those polos and some of these discs. So that's all I've got. Remember, share these videos, get the channel out there, and we're gonna try to give some stuff away. I just got to get to that 500 mark. I think it's just like you break there and then maybe it'll go up. I don't know, but give me a 500. I need like 9 more people maybe. I don't know what I need now. I think I need to get to 600 to guarantee I'm at 500, the way the fluctuation is right there. But I'll see you next time. Peace.